Hello friends, and welcome to this video on how to create a question paper for a subject using the syllabus in ChatGPT. If you are a teacher or an educator, you know how important it is to design a comprehensive and effective question paper that covers all the important topics and concepts from the syllabus. But sometimes it can be overwhelming to decide what question to ask and how to structure them. That is where ChatGPT comes in. We are going to create a question paper on image processing. I have taken image processing as subject, but you can take any subject for which you like to create the question paper. We can use ChatGPT to generate different types of questions, such as multiple choice, short answer, and essay questions, even with models answers also. As a teacher, you know the syllabus of your subject. Now to input the syllabus in the ChatGPT interface, you simply type or paste it into ChatGPT's interface. Paste the whole syllabus if you want to create question papers from the complete syllabus, but here I have used only 3 modules of the syllabus for testing. Now our question paper is complete. If you feel this video is useful, then like this video and subscribe my channel. It will encourage me to create more videos. Our next step is to review and refine the question paper. ChatGPT's questions are generated based on the syllabus, but they may not always be perfect. Even sometimes its question generation process may stop suddenly before completion. It happens due to unavailability of the resources. Then try again to regenerate the question. As a teacher or instructor, it's important to review the questions to ensure that they are appropriate and relevant for your students. Once you have reviewed the questions, the final step is to compile them into a question paper. You can then copy and paste the questions into the template and customize it according to your needs. You can also add instructions, grading criteria, and other relevant information. Now we will see how to create question paper with answers. For creating question paper with answers, we need to add more line at the end of our chat language. That is, we have to instruct ChatGPT to provide answers for all the questions at the end of the question paper. Here is the sample question paper with answers. We have generated the answers for our question paper. It is the best part of our process. Don't forget to suggest the topic for next video in the comment box. To create a question paper for a subject using the syllabus in ChatGPT. With its powerful AI capabilities, ChatGPT can simplify and streamline the process of creating a question paper, allowing you to focus on the what you do best, teaching your students. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.